welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable palm leaf place cards. These are, again, great for a summer party. We kind of have a summer party theme going on because it's about to be that season. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, so by the end of this video you too will know how to make these very, very cute palm leaf place cards. If you like videos like this, be sure to click subscribe. I share party planning tips every week to help you host the perfect party. So let's get started. To make these palm leaf place cards, you will need palm leaves. I've linked some in the description, or you can make your own. You will need white letter stickers and some tape. Start with a palm leaf and think about how long the name will be. If it's a little longer, you may need to use 2 palm leaves. This is easy. You can just secure the back with a piece of Scotch tape. Then you need to pull the letters you need and arrange them on the leaves. If you use more than 1 leaf, make sure to position 1 sticker on top of the opening to secure the 2 leaves from the front. This music has me wanting to go to the beach. What's your favorite beach? Tell me in the comments. I'm doing my own name here in case you can't tell. Since I did my own name, that needed 2 leaves. My sister Charlotte needed 3. But then I did one for my mom, and it only needed 1. All are perfectly fine examples of what they could look like. I just wanted to show you the difference between the multiple leaves. Thanks so much for watching. A few quick things. So these are actually edible leaves, which is pretty cool. Obviously we use something that is not edible to make our names today, but if you wanted to, you could put these on a cookie and you would be able to write in white icing somebody's name, and then they could actually eat their little place cards, which would be a nice little added touch. Also, you could put these in the place card holder, sorry, I can't talk, place card holder like we talked about, or you could put them in the pouch of the napkin. You can refer back to my napkin folding video where I showed you how to make the ones with the pouch, and you could slide this in there for another nice little added unexpected touch. So there's plenty of ways you could go with this. If you have any questions about this video specifically, be sure to leave them in the comments below and let me know what you want to see next. I'll be happy to answer any requests. If you like this video, be sure to click subscribe. I share party planning tips for everyone to host the perfect party, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.